Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session actually we are going to discuss regarding comparison of FM and AM wave. Okay, so how AM wave major differences, okay, main important differences when it comes, because there will be confusions regarding FM and AM wave, how they are differing and all. So in this session we'll mainly focus on the differences between or comparison between AM wave and FM wave. So at the end of this session you will be able to at least understand like how both are differing. Okay, so please watch the entire session, so don't miss out any in between. Okay, so because it helps you to understand in a very simple way. Okay, so let us quickly start with the session now. So how the comparison is done is, in FM it is possible to reduce noise by increasing the frequency deviation. So in FM it is possible to reduce noise. How we can reduce the noise in FM? We have seen, we even experience, right? So how the there is less noise in case of FM waves. So we'll hear the all music and all. So in that case it is having very less noise. Okay, so how that less noise feature is achieved? That is by increasing the frequency deviation. That is the main thing. So because of which the noise in the FM wave is going to be reduced. But in AM wave, we don't have chance to reduce the frequency deviation. Because why we don't have chance? Now a question arises, why we don't have a chance to increase the frequency deviation as we have done in case of FM? Why it is not possible? Because it's a basic thing. In AM wave, we are only increasing or decreasing the amplitude of the message signal in accordance with the amplitude of the carrier signal, sorry, in accordance with the message signal. We are not even making any change in case of frequency there in AM modulation. So that is why it is not possible. So that is the main drawback of AM signal. Okay, there will be noise in AM signal, and we are not able to achieve that frequency deviation changing also, because we are keeping frequency constant, we are only varying the amplitude. Okay, I hope this point is very clear now. So the next is, in FM there is standard frequency allocations. Yes, definitely you might have heard, you already know, right? So in FM signals we are trying to I mean the standard allocations are there in case of FM signals. So some frequency, this is of one frequency band, and another is of another frequency band, and this is the FM radio and all. We will try to uh, visualize like how the, I mean, different frequency allocations are done. So that provides a guard band between FM stations which are commercially used commercially. That means, see, a FM signal is having some frequency. Okay, another FM signal is having some another frequency, and there is no interference also, because there is a guard band which make FM signals are even situated at different far distance. Even though they are situated nearer by, there will be a guard band between the FM signals, so of different band. Okay, so since there is a guard band, even though it is having different bands of FM signals, so there won't be any interference. Okay, but here in case of AM signal that is not possible, because less adjacent channel interference in FM. But in case of AM there will be interference. Okay, so if we want to send some different types of AM waves, and then definitely there is no guard band. Okay, there is no band concept itself in AM wave, because we are only changing the amplitude, and there is will be some time that the amplitude may interfere. Okay, so there will be less adjacent channel interference in case of FM wave, whereas there will be more interference in case of AM wave. So this is the main comparison actually. Okay, so in AM it will be somewhat less itself, because amplitude will be correct actually, but there might be some chance, even though it is less, but there is some chance. Whereas in case of FM it is correctly done. It's like bands are, we can differentiate the band actually. So as there are different guard bands, so there won't be any interference. One signal of band of FM signal with station will not interfere with the another FM band of another station, FM station. So in that way it is quality wise it is very good in case of FM. But in AM wave, only amplitude we are varying, so there is no question of any frequency here. So there is a main difference. Okay, at the end of this session we can only conclude that in case of FM wave we are only interested in varying the frequency of the carrier wave in accordance with the modulating signal. Whereas in case of AM signal, we are only interested in varying the amplitude. We will not bother about the changing the frequencies. Okay. Only the amplitude of the carrier wave is varied in accordance with the message signal or modulating signal or the baseband signal. All are one and same. So in this way, this is the major point we can conclude when it comes to comparison of AM wave with FM wave or FM wave with AM wave. Okay, or vice versa, anything. So this is all about comparison, okay, which we have done regard when it comes to FM and AM wave. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications, and like, share, okay, and support. Hmm? Okay, so if you want to understand anything in detail, please comment. And if you want to understand any particular concept related to anything, like I frequently say, like any electronics and communication topic which you are finding it very tough, okay, you are not able to understand. Okay, so please comment that as well. I'll try to cover it as early as possible. Okay, in the coming sessions. Thanks for watching again. Okay, bye.